fingers are so cold.
Yeah, mine are too. It's pretty nasty. And of course, there has to be this light breeze again.
Yeah.
Man, my hands are so cold.
Alright. I guess I can go see about this barrel.
So it is so chilly with this wind, even though it's supposed to get up to like 50 today. We're gonna set up a little burn barrel by where we're working so we can at least warm our hands.
Salamanders.
They're like we were sleeping.
Yes, they're hibernating.
Oh, they're crazy. Oh, this one doesn't have a tail.
It's not? No, it's a slug.
There's all kinds of
Slimy slug, bunch of roly-polies.
a whole bunch of roly-polies.
Some people call them pill bugs. I think down south the roly-polies, around here they're called pill bugs. Look at that.
Yeah, I think that's pretty good right there. Yeah.
Oh, there we go. That'll do it. There you go, cut a gutter. Real high tech. I don't know how the pros do it. I'm pretty sure it ain't like this. It's somewhere in that area. I tell you that much with a 99% confidence. See, it's somewhere in this vicinity. Dang it, this is awful. This is shameful. Downright embarrassing. That doesn't work.
We'll see what it looks like when you put it up there. See what skill and precision there really is.
We them guys see how badass she was on installing that bidet.
With skill and precision. See how much accuracy and precision you have.
Well, you're gonna see. I don't make needless boast. Frivolous. I don't make frivolous boast.
Frivolous?
Frivolous. That's the word I'm going with.
That seems kind of extravagant.
No frivolous boasting here. No wanton boasting. Like, I'm sticking with frivolous.
I don't think wanton means...
We're gonna have to look that one up.
It means something. I don't think it means something.
Yeah, I think it's...
It doesn't mean what you think it does.
Similar to frivolous?
I don't remember.
Huh?
Don't remember, but it means what I didn't think it means.
Alright, we're gonna have to look that one up.
Yeah.
Mental note: prove Tara wrong.
I didn't say what it meant.
With the definition on wanton, is it W-O-N-T-O-N?
W-A-N-T-O-N.
Yeah.
You failed to spell
Want,
B.
want on.
Wanton.
Like want on, like squished together, but it's not on.
It's not squished.
It's spelled like that though. Woman,
Bring
I
it
got
back
time
to
to mess with you. I got gutter to put up.
with accuracy and precision. Are you serious? That's gonna be the title of this episode.
Yeah. All right, look at that. Down and glue shit together.
Does he have accuracy and precision or not?
Skill and precision.
Do you have skills? Women like skills.
You gotta have skills.
That'll never work.
Are you kidding me? I don't think you're allowed to drop F-bombs on YouTube, just saying.
It becomes a bleep bomb.
You're such a dirty girl, dropping F-bombs.
Raised in the country and talk like one.
As when we lived on the Gulf Coast, we did sail. Then I guess it's only appropriate you'd have a sailor's mouth.
True.
Now, mountaineer country girl.
Fit right in.
Look at that. Skill and precision. Look at that. Look at that.
It's pretty darn good.
Perfectly lines up with the end of this fascia right here. Look at that. Bam! Right there. Don't get any more accurate than that.
Accurate. It's pretty good.
Now, is that going to line up here where our gutter's going to go right here?
I believe it. I believe it will.
Alright.
I might have to give you some dinner tonight.
I get to eat now. That's always a good thing. Chickens get fed every day. I hope I get a little something.
To get you some victuals. You have to feed your food. Chickens are the food.
Well, I hope to find value somewhere in your life.
Working.
Putting up gutters.
No, gutters, sheds. Getting me some goats.
Can you reach for it? Maybe?
I can't see. You'll have to come do it. Uh-oh.
Two of us. Hold on, baby.
Oh, it said the hydraulic loses pressure. We go down.
That's why I'm holding on up here. All right, ready?
And good.
Good.
Yeah. So we're going to get this barrel moved because as it has warmed up, everything has just turned to mud. What's the saying? By the time you figure stuff out, you're dead.
Is that a saying?
I don't know. Is there something like that?
I mean, seems like I might have said that before. I don't know if it's a saying, but could be. We could have went the easy route and just paid somebody to come do the seamless gutters, and on like hindsight, I'm thinking, how many hours is like, because I mean, especially it's just being that we're going into late fall here with the freezing weather and crap, and
yeah, racing the clock.
I don't know. I didn't even price it. I mean, I was just thinking, we're doing all this ourselves, you know. I can't stand relying on somebody else. I can't stand like, you know, I've been let down by other people so much.
Yeah.
Where they say they're going to do something, they don't. They keep putting you off.
It's hard to find somebody to do stuff.
And I just get tired of waiting on people. You know, I just want to get it done.
Yeah. And even when you do find somebody to do work, a lot of times you're disappointed in it.
Yeah. That too.
After you paid all that money.
You pay them a bunch. You got to practically beg them to come do it because they keep screwing off and not coming to do it.
Yeah.
Then when they do it, it's like they half-assed it, and you're like, shit, I should have done it myself.
Yep.
So I'm gonna rivet all these pieces together, but
okay.
On the down crumble.
Right.
But I'm just doing where I run here. Make sure it all fits. Oh yeah, I was gonna
try to do something with that. Yeah. Open it? I mean, close it down more.
Wait a minute. Yeah, what I need to do. I was thinking, because this piece here is just both ends have been cut. So as we cut that piece off and everything, so we don't have a tapered end to go inside the lower piece, which is this guy. This guy has a tapered piece, but it's gonna be underneath, so it'll just leak all around it. So I'm thinking, I'll bet you if I get on YouTube, somebody's showing you how to do it. But I'm thinking, if I just get some tin snips here and make a couple little cuts,
and you can smash it,
and then kind of smash it into fit. Okay, I like it. I didn't have to cut it, so screw that.
So you just smashed it.
Yeah, just get you some needle nose and smush it in. We're gonna have to we'll use a couple of these guys to mount it, secure it to the post here, which will just goes on the back side. And so, you know what I mean. So this part is just what's going on the tool, obviously. This is the rivet itself, right? So you see here, this little flange is what you see here. Right?
Yeah.
Well, on the end, it's got like a little ball, right? So the whole thing is, you put this in this tool, open it up. You see where it's going down in there? It's just got little teeth. They just pull it. They grip this and just pull it up. So what it's doing is it's pulling this inside. This is just a sleeve. So it's pulling that ball in, and when it does, it just spreads it like out to where it catches on the back side, on the inside. It's an awful long screw here. That's all right.
The moment of truth.
Yeah, here it is.
Are you excited for it to rain now?
Well, I've had my share of mud, so no, not really.
No, I mean for your gutter.
I know.
Don't you want to see it work?
Well, most of the mud in here, I think, has more to do with the backside coming down the hill this way. So the backside is what's really going to help us. These gutters should help all this mud in the front, but the backside or the back gutters is what's really going to make a difference.
Yeah.
I like rivets. That's how I roll.
You're a rivet guy?
I'm a rivet kind of guy.
It's kind of nice waking up and Looking at your tractor over a cup of coffee in the morning.
I mean, who doesn't want to start their day that way?
Pour some water in it.
Yeah, only thing left on this side is those leaf guards, like I say.